Civil engineering is the oldest engineering discipline. It is the branch of engineering which provides the basic amenities required for the survival and maintenance of the environment. The civil engineers build all types of structures, design water supply, sewer system, railroads, highways, airports, and plan cities. Civil engineering is considered as a good engineering branch, and students pursuing a course in the branch get different types of the jobs. If you are interested in this field, then you should definitely go for civil engineering. Also check some civil engineering colleges present in India. Civil engineers plan and create structures that cater to public needs in a variety of areas, including transportation, coastal construction, and environmental engineering. Apart from this, the civil engineer also helps in the preserving the environment by planning different ways to reduce future pollution of air, water, and land. Over recent years, the demand for civil and structural engineers in countries such as Australia, Saudi Arabia, and India has been very high. Civil engineers need a bachelor's degree such as BTech or BE in civil engineering. A civil engineering degree prepares you for work in the construction industry as well as in the businesses, management, and financial sectors. Generally, there are two types of civil engineers. First one are consultants who focuses on design work and generally spend more time in the office or working with clients. And second type of civil engineers are contractors who are more involved with the keeping an eye on the physical construction and are usually based on the site work. All civil engineers are required to be innovative and logical individuals. What are the roles and responsibilities of a civil engineer? Civil engineers are generally responsible for designing, constructing, and managing various construction projects such as roads, buildings, tunnels, bridges, and dams, etc. In addition, many civil engineers are also involved in conducting research. After attaining the required academic qualification to become a civil engineer, there is an ample number of job profiles that you can target as per your interest. The jobs directly related to civil engineer's degree include design engineer, estimator, construction engineer, consulting civil engineer, building control surveyor, CAD technician, structural engineer, nuclear engineer, and site engineer, etc. Civil engineers can find a variety of employment opportunities in different sectors. Some of the top sectors that hire civil engineers are MNCs, construction companies, PSUs, transportation companies, infrastructure management companies, government agencies, municipal corporations, geotechnical companies, PWDs, Indian Railways, and armed forces, etc. To succeed, civil engineers should be detail-oriented individuals with strong mathematical, organizational, and problem-solving skills. They should also excel at communication and team leadership, since they must be discuss plans with clients and guide workers on building processes. I hope this information is useful to you. If you require any further information, then feel free to contact me through comment box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video.